The historic conviction on all 34 criminal counts came after 9.5 hours of jury deliberation. Berkeley experts noted the next key question is whether it will affect voters in November. Former President Donald Trump made history on Thursday as the first ex-president to be convicted of felony crimes. Berkeley. The historic conviction on all 34 criminal counts came after 9.5 hours of jury deliberation. Berkeley experts noted the next key question is whether it will affect voters in November. Former President Donald Trump made history on Thursday as the first ex-president to be convicted of felony crimes. Berkeley scholars discussed the historical and legal significance of this event, as well as its potential political implications. A New York jury convicted Trump of 34 counts of falsifying business records to conceal an affair with an adult film star, aiming to keep damaging information from voters before the 2016 election. Berkeley legal and policy scholars called the decision a historic moment for the country, though they expressed uncertainty about its impact on the 2024 election. After the verdict, Berkeley scholars reflected on the significance of the decision and its potential influence on the November election and American democracy. Berkeley News. In constitutional and legal terms, what is the overarching significance of this indictment? The Trump verdict is a triumph for the rule of law. The essence of the rule of law is that no one, not even a president or former president, is above it. Trump repeatedly tried to claim he was above the law in this and other cases. When the grand jury subpoenaed his financial records, Trump took the case to the Supreme Court, arguing that as president he was not obligated to provide the information. The Supreme Court ruled against him. He also argued that he could not be prosecuted in New York State court because his actions, writing checks and falsifying business records, occurred while he was president. The court rejected this argument, and the case went to trial before a jury. Trump was convicted on all counts because the evidence clearly showed he authorized hush money payments to Stormy Daniels, falsely recorded as business expenses, to help his campaign. The legal system worked as intended, with a fair trial overseen by a conscientious judge, upholding the rule of law.